How to remove background noise from voice memos. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to remove background noise from voice memos. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch and open your recorder or voice memos applications on your device. So you will see all the recordings here. If you don't have anyone, you can tap on the red circle at the bottom center of the screen and easily record any kind of voice memo on your device. Now let's open this particular recordings on our device. And then you will go get the filter like icon at the bottom left corner of the screen depending upon your device. And here you can easily see skip silence option on this playback settings. You can easily toggle the button on, and after that if you have the option for enhanced recording, you can easily turn the button on. So mostly that option will be appeared on your iOS devices and not on your Android device. So if you have the iOS device, you can easily toggle the button on for your enhanced recording option. And after that, you can easily remove the background noise from the voice memos. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. And then if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.